This week, on a very special Cook Eat Life, Ben Crisps and Jeremy Beard taste the flavor of the forest.
Number one cooking show, probably. No, wait. Number one cooking show, Cook Eat Life. I have to remember.
You're on.
What?
I said you're on.
Oh, I'm on. Huh. Hang on, let me do this thing. Oh, hey, Crispy Tubers. Welcome to the Cook Eat Life Outdoor Extravaganza. Here we are in the wilderness. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna get away from all the technology of modern day trappings. We're just gonna throw the cameras out and we're gonna do a show without the cameras entirely. Bet you didn't expect that. Come along with us and taste the technology-less adventure.
Enjoy the true Cook Eat Life outdoor experience by listening to Jeremy Beard anxiously rant incoherently.
Like, I'm going this way when there's like, well, I guess they wouldn't know there's a camp like literally right there.
But you better bring your appetite for danger, because you just might get lost in this forest of flavor.
Huh?
Definitely not supposed to go this way. Dude, get me going over this. Get me going over this real brave.
And when danger lurks around every corner, you gotta stay crispy just to stay alive.
It must be a trap laid by the wizard himself.
And that search for flavor brings us to the most unlikely of places.
Well, hey, Crispy Tubers. We're just out here grilling up some short ribs in the wilderness. You know how we do on probably the best. No, you know how we do on Cook Eat Life. So we're about 10 minutes into this fishing adventure, and everyone's disappeared, and now I'm completely alone. So, we're trying to find where people might have gone to. I was told there was a mule camp here. This is the mule camp. Stinks like mule shit, which, oh, this is all, it's all mule shit in here. The whole thing's mule shit. Lovely. Where the fuck did everyone go? This is not a good sign. So my dumb ass is basically incapable of fishing. I'm gonna show you the spot, and then I'm gonna show you the fish we caught. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Here they are, ready to be eaten. Oh, I just got water all over my shoe. Well, we're gonna go gut these fish. Maybe I'll get that on camera. I didn't show you the gutting and filleting of the fish. Probably should have maybe done that. It's all right. It's 4th of July. I do what I want. I'm independent. So we're independently hiking our way up this road to Lake Mary, where we will catch more fish. And after catching these fish, maybe I'll film the gutting of these fish for you. All right. Happy 4th of July, Patriots. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ben Crisps here, 4th of July, Mammoth Lakes, and we're about to go elbow deep in this fishing extravaganza One more for the old man today. So Mr. Lunchmouth here has caught another fish, and this fish has all sorts of wacky bait inside of him. This poor young gentleman must have swallowed quite a bit of other people's tackle. Mud in your fish. It's a pretty shallow place to be washing it. That's a gutted fish. Well, this is the end of our 4th of July fishing adventure. We'll be back tomorrow for more. I don't know what this is. Hey, Crispy Tubers, here we're at. Oh, wait, hang on, let me try that again. What does here we're at mean? Crispy Tubers? Yeah, the name of the show is probably The Best Cooking Show, and my character is Ben Crisps, and I call the audience Crispy Tubers. Hey, Crispy Tubers, here we are. We're at Lake, what is this, Sabrina? Lake Sabrina. Mr. Lunchmouth here has provided me with a twerking worm, and we'll see what kinds of thought fish we can reel in. This fish only has one eye. Absolute legend.
No blood.
Bye-bye, one-eye fishy. Legend of the lake. Yeah, if you could save the blunders until the camera is rolling, please.
But there's a fish down here.
Harold,
Harold.
the trout.
Yeah. So I've got this cool rig, some paracord, and a surgical, what do you call these? Forceps. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm hoping I can throw this. These are straight ones. Try to get it on Harold's line. I can break him free.
Curved for Harold's pleasure. Nope. Ah, there you go. There you go. There you go. On target. Now we find out if there's any merit to the...
You figured the line is right there, right?
Yeah.
Got something. There he is.
Oh, he's got it.
First try.
He's
Second
got
try.
it.
Where's that?
Harold.
Where's that?
Harold.
Did he get free? Where is he?
No. I don't know. He got free? Did he get free? He got free.
Did you get it on camera?
I was pointed at the. I was pointed at him the whole time. If this can see underwater, then we saw Harold's freedom.
It worked.
Look at that. He
Wonderful.
came up on a swivel.
Beautiful. Harold's free. Look at the hook. I actually caught the hook.
Wow.
In look at this
Harold's
stupid
mouth.
ass fucking leader that this asshole is using.
Yeah, and he caught Harold with it though. That's a terrible
This
leader.
is the
Look at
store-bought
that.
leader.
Yeah.
Stupid ass hook. Poor Harold. I feel bad for that guy.
Yeah, but Harold's free now. We can all just be happy that Harold's free.
So good thing I brought the paracord.
Good thing for Harold.
your other arm out of the way.
Copfish.
Copfish.
Hey, how you doing?
No, we're only singing the one verse at first. And
Oh.
only I talk while I'm talking.
I forgot that I don't have to talk.
And put him out of his misery. I figure maybe I just smack him really hard on the back of his head, severs his spine, and he'll be out of his misery when I got him.
We'll see.
We'll see what happens. Keep still. He's not moving. Yeah,
Oh, he definitely didn't like that.
he's done. Try this over here too. This guy.
Whoa!
Did you see that big lummox over there on the shore? He's a stone cold killer.
A what? Oh. Yeah. Oh, I got the reports this morning.
I heard 2 homicides.
Oh, yeah, it's off the scales.
Don't worry, I'll take it because, you know, you're so close to retirement. I don't want anything happening to you.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Frank, you've been my best friend and partner for, what, like 5 years now, and I just can't imagine anything ever happening to you.
Oh, what is this?
Frank, no, it's obviously not Frank. Don't, Frank, what the hell, Frank? Copfish.
Hey, Crispy Tubers. It's your boy Ben Crisps. Here we are at intake number 2. We're about to go. I don't even know. I don't have anything except the number 2 joke. But intake number 2. Think about it.